Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today I'm going to show you all of my baby quail. So it is Tuesday the 11th and all of my quail decided to hatch on day 16 and 17. There's only 2 eggs that didn't hatch. So we're just gonna leave those in the incubator, but everybody else has hatched out. They're fluffy and dry and we are gonna move them over to their brooder. Let me show you their brooder and then we're gonna get them in there. So here is their brooder that I made. It's just a Rubbermaid tote and we already had it on hand and the lid was broken. So we just cut a hole out of the lid, covered it with some hardware cloth, and presto, we have a brooder. I already have their food and water set up. Now with them being so little, I went ahead and I ran their food through the blender to get much smaller pieces. Hey now. Some much smaller pieces for them so they're able to eat it. And then with them being so little, I didn't want them drowning in their water, so I put some of these glass, I don't know what these are, glass stones or something in there so that they can't get stuck in their waterer. I did put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in here because they are all healthy and they don't seem like they're too stressed, so I didn't feel like I needed to do the electrolyte mix for them. So yeah, let's go ahead and get them in their setup. Oh, and here's a link for how I made their brooder as well. So here's all of our little quailies. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just unplug it back here and I'm going to take the whole brooder and set it, or sorry, the whole incubator and set it in the brooder to open it because these guys are just hopping and popping around like little popcorn kernels. Huh. Set it down. Out you come, little babies. You can't go back in. Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to make sure they know where their food and water is, and then I'm going to get their heat set up.
You can't eat that, sweetheart. They're so tiny. This is what you eat. She figured it out. This is finger pretending. Are you pretending your finger is a finger? Don't try to eat this.
So we got the heat source put on, but they seem to prefer my husband's warm hands. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna let them get settled in and I will keep you guys posted on how they are growing and how they are doing in the brooder. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.